Boom! What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's a boy, Fayskull. Welcome to another video. You know what I mean? Welcome to another week of top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica on Apple Music. You know what I mean? So this is where we are go through all the top 10 songs we are trend in Kingston, Jamaica on Apple Music. You know what I mean? If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button right below the video. If you like any of the song that we play from a review upon this in this video, you can go ahead and leave your favorite song in the comment section. You know what I mean? Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X. You know what I mean? Me there on Twitch, Kick on all them platforms there. All the link them are there in the description. You know what I mean? So you can check out the social media pages. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. You know what I mean? So as you can see, we start from the 10th song to the number 1 song. You know what I mean? So as I can see right here, we have a number 10 spot. We have Squash and Skybird with the song title Chopper Listen. So take a listen.
Book a skull from Tennessee and drop it up the Jeep. I can, you can, lead some phone and voice and I can, you can, lead some.
Yeah man, so Squash featuring Skybird, Chopper Listen, bad song, you know what I mean? So at the number 9 spot we have Vybz Boss with Just Do It. You know what I mean? This song has been trending, go viral all of the time, you know what I mean? All of the memes make off of that song. So take a listen at it.
Prezzy's reprisals questions are still unanswered.
Let's go. Bad song. This song has been trending for quite some time, you know what I mean? Been a mash up the whole place, you know what I mean? Vybz Boss with Just Do It. Bad song. Alright, so at the number 8 spot now, we have Marks with Retard. Let's go. Let's take a listen.
Drop me first Benz long before COVID. You say me cap that mean you don't know me. Me make it whip dance, be my ton of retard. Not even 3 charge. If I never music, me not treat her. Oh, yeah.
Bad song. So the number 8 spot, that was Marks with Retard at the number 8 spot. At the number 7 spot now, who we have? Skipper with Palm Tree featuring Pablo YG. We got Meds the singer. Let's go.
My call is silly every day, guys. If you look away, man, I see. Whether free or me pay. You never fire gunshot, you man. I fi come back, my girl, come in need. She a change front, turn it from back, you ball and I scream out.
Bad. So that was Skipper with Palm Tree featuring Pablo YG at the number 7 spot. You know what I mean? So we move on to the number 6 spot now. Squash and Massacre 16. Let's take a listen. Let's go.
Figure the tool rock, like it a freeze, me wrist step, I double Cuban, stop at the bar, shell it up. I fly out, me there at Cuba. Yo, din we are the greatest thing, key. Right, so like a country, a basing thing, me got the Porsche and the Benz with the plane in. Him still extortion money, boy, pay him bill 6.
Alright, so that was Squash and Massacre with 16 at a number 6 spot. Whole heap of people have been waiting on a collab like this, you know what I mean, with Squash and Massacre, you know what I mean? And the song are bad. It a mash up the whole place, you know what I mean? 16 with at a number 6 spot, Squash and Massacre. Alright, so I move on now to the number 5th spot. We Skipper again with Dead Apps. Let's take a listen.
pussy come and tell me about squash. I went Dante, they never have no enter. So them is what can't this pain and I try to keep us more than we saw about 3 times.
But so that was Skipper at the number 5th spot with Dead Apps, you know what I mean? They don't know say Skipper and Malidan in a war, you know what I mean? So that I want this song for Malidan. But moving on to number 4th spot, we have Skipper again with Glocks and Chips. Let's go. Let's take a listen.
My dog a full in night time, high G. The boy a pram push, him flow waste man and if it tap no stop, look at my chase ball, girl, me my mother hot, finna your face.
Is the next, this song next to, you know. I first me hear that one, yeah.
Clap, take time to bench fly fast on you. Hot file, me rise one bam, girl, get wild, she loves scammer man, charging her.
Alright, so that was Skipper with Glocks and Chips at a number 4th spot. Be able to sound up on the list, people. As me I say, if you like any of the song them, the drop the title of the song them, or the drop the number of the song where you like in the comment section, you know what I mean? Because I'll be able to sound up on the list, you know what I mean? But we are move on to number 3rd spot, and we have Malidan with Van Cleef Part 2. Let's take a listen.
She brace up on me, bumbo climatic. She fuck before she cut, she want a bit. Under control, like Shana King. She brace up on me, bumbo climatic.
People, if you love them song, yeah, drop some fire in the comment section. Let's go.
She fuck before she cut, she want a king. She love corn and she love banana clip. Put me body, hey bitch, hold on panic. Whole clean.
But so at the number 3rd spot, that was Malidan with Van Cleef Part 2. Bad song. Moving on now to number 2nd spot, we have Skipper again with Detox. Let's take a listen. But as me I say, that was Skipper at the number 2nd spot with Detox at the number 1 spot. Now who we have? As you can see, we have Malidan with Van Cleef at the number 1 spot. Let's take a listen.
She knows good fellow practice along Saxon Road. Stop up at Richie. Pussy and up here next. Me puffy clear, yes. We slap a fat shot in your pussy face. Stop fuck battle pussy if we have patience. Some of them blood clot gunna, you not hear that. Can you? In your chest, in the case.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica, in Kingston for this week, you know what I mean? Them are singing around the whole place on Apple Music in Jamaica, in Kingston right now. As me I say, if you like the video, make sure you give the video a like. As me also I say again, more you comment your favorite song in the comment section, you know what I mean? Be able to sound up on the list. If you want to get more videos like this each and every week, every Saturday, same time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. You know what I mean? Look out for your next video next week, people. Until next time, your boy Fayskull out. Let's go. Boom.